In this video, I'll show you how to fix view counts not showing on the Instagram Reels. Here, I'm going to show you the step-by-step guide of how you can fix this problem. But before that, if you're new to this channel, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because this really helps me out. Well, so now to fix the problem, the very first thing that you have to do, open up the App Store or Play Store from your device and go ahead and search for Instagram here. And once you get the Instagram, just need to tap on this one, and if you found any pending update, update your Instagram application to the latest version. And once you do that, just get back from here and see if that fixes your problem or not. And right after that, simply go and open up the Instagram app from your device, and from the home page, go ahead and tap on this profile icon at the bottom right. And once you're here inside your profile, tap on Edit Profile. And from this page, just need to scroll down and tap on Switch to Professional Account. And you just need to set up your professional account from here. So let's say I'm going to select it, and I'm going to go through this process, and I'm going to make my account professional. I'm going to select the creator from here, and then tap on Next, and exit this page. And now your account is in professional mode. Now you just need to go and tap on this three-dot line at the top right, and then scroll down and tap on Creator Tools and Control. And under this one here, you get to see the option called the View Counts and Profile. You just need to tap on this, and Hide View Counts is enabled. You just need to toggle off this option. Now if I go back to my Instagram profile, he'll get to see the view counts on the Reels is being showing up right here. And this is how we can fix this problem. Hope you find this very helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel. See you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.